14 heads manual belt combination weighing machine. It weighs products with exceptional precision and high speed, ensuring continuous production without interruption. It relies on an integrated system that selects the best combination from 14 weighing heads, guaranteeing the target weight with maximum accuracy and minimal waste. Suitable for handling various types of vegetables and fruits, regardless of their shapes or sizes. Simplifies packaging, saving time and effort. Atlas International Company since 1977.